Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, today we have a bright opportunity from Mindty to go. So let's see what are those in detail format. So now first moving on to the eligibility criteria itself, we have some things to look forward for that. Yes, eligibility criteria. So basically this opening is for 2020 and 21st graduates that is belonging to engineering streams. Okay, that is CS, IT and circuitals only. So CS, computer science related branches and also circuited related branches is fine here. And it is for 20 and 21st graduates, and academic cutoff will be 60% or 6 CGP in 10th 12th and engineering with no backlogs allowed. Okay, so you should not have any backlogs. You must be completely completing it completely. So yes, that's it. And onboarding schedule begins from the September. Okay, so this is the basic details regarding this. So the opening is for junior engineer role. Okay, C-band junior engineer role. So once more repeating the eligibility criteria, it is for 2020 and 21st passed out batches. Okay, 20 and 21st only. We used to get, even if we specifically mentioned the batch criteria, there are still some students who used to come up in comments, is this eligible for 19, it is eligible for 18 or not. So it is clearly mentioned here, it is only for 20 and 21st batches, and also engineering streams. Okay, BE, BTech, MCA students are what they're looking, and CS, IT, and circuital only. Okay. Now, then 60% or 60 GPA in 10th, 12th, and engineering. Okay, engineering students is what they are looking forward for. And onboarding schedule begins from September 2021. So to register, the last day to register is by 3 p.m. August 28th. So only few days, like few countable days to go. So make sure that you make your registrations at the earliest soon after you watch this video. And for the job description, everything, you can click on this. So let's have like a rough look on the job description, like how does that looks and everything. So before that, I have something for you guys. We have an online study for you placement, a channel for Instagram. So you can just go through or follow our channel and go through the sections. We have so much useful stuffs for you, which is some updates regarding some tricks, regarding some puzzles, quizzes, everything. So this will help you to have a better idea on your career needs. So we are putting forward a lot of stuffs that will definitely help you. Okay, so make sure you follow that as well. Not only Instagram, we have Telegram channel too, online study for you itself name. You can search and get it, or else I'll be leaving the links for all these in the description. You can join that and be a part of our discussion group. There we discuss the question answers or the topics or the current trends or placement and everything. So you make sure that you get all these discussions, be a part of all these discussions. Okay, yeah. So now coming to here, you can just see everything, all the details regarding the infrastructure, everything is provided. So the compensation and benefits is provided here. It is for 2.97 LPS per annum, and designation is IMTS engineer. Then competency will be band C, and stipend will be 21,100 rupees per month. There is a service agreement for this particular opening, and promotions increment will be there, obviously there. And eligibility, once more I'm repeating the same, that is, it is for BE and BTech graduates. Okay, BE and BTech graduate, 60% in 6 point, then 10th and 12th, everything. Then no backlogs during the onboarding. So if you have any backlogs and if you cleared it completely, then you are eligible. But still now, if you have any backlogs, then you are not eligible here. No gaps allowed. It. The IT streams like information science and computer science, and the circuitry branches like electronics and communication, electrical and engineering, electrical electronics engineering, electronics instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication. Telecommunication is what the criteria is. And now coming to the learning, you can just go through the details, like what will be the learning program and post joining details and everything. So what is they are looking forward in this, everything is mentioned here. So you can just go through that and know about all the details regarding what all the things that you will be performing there, being a member of an employee for Mindtree. Okay, so this is the opening details regarding the same. So when you go for, obviously you'll be having some sort of assessment first, the first stage of selection process, and then you'll be followed by some interview process, obviously. So this is basically for the structure of selection process for the freshers. So you can make use of this application process and get into the selection process as well. So to register for that, you can just click on this, click here, click here link for the registration and complete your registration for the same. Okay, so this is the registration form. So here also they have once again mentioned regarding the eligibility criteria and everything. So make sure you follow all of them. If you missed any of them and you randomly submit some application, you won't be getting selected. Even after you might have passed an online assessment, you must have cleared the interview session. But at the time of like offer letter or selection time, you may be losing the opportunity. So why you have to spend your time and effort on the same? Okay, so make sure you make this. Okay, that's it. So go for that. And now what in the form required is the title, then first name, last name, personal email ID, personal mobile number, then date of birth. Do you have a PAN card or not? Just give it. And everybody, every student, it is very important. PAN card is very important to get the salary and everything. So if you are looking forward for any job or a kind of things, if you're 18 plus, make sure that you have a PAN card with you. Apply at the earliest. Okay. However, there are online mechanism to apply PAN card too. And you have an Aadhaar card you can give, enter your university registration number, then engineering college name, engineering college state, then district, town, then qualification. So here they have mentioned for BTech and BE is the graduation, but if you're from others, then you can give this other and mention here. Yeah? But your other criteria will not be invited here. They will be like discarded because they want you to strictly stick on to the eligibility criteria. And engineering streams are provided here. Year of passing is also mentioned, like you have the options to select among those. Yes, 2020 and 21st, another is there, but it is applicable only for this opening. So make sure you're from this branch criteria and do have a degree certificate or professional certificate degree. If you have, then you can submit. Okay, so this is the complete registration process to go. So we have already discussed what is the eligibility criteria, what is the package details regarding the same, application process and job role, what will be the pre and post training sessions and everything. So this is the opening in Mindtree. So you know Mindtree is such a great company to start your career. You can definitely go for Mindtree. There is no doubt in that. So make sure you make your registration soon after you watch this video. So once again, reminding you about the Instagram channel and the Telegram channel that we are having, where we conduct a lot of discussions regarding your career opportunities and placement examination or an assessment in various kinds of companies. Okay, so make sure you be a part of that and follow us and be a part of our family. Okay, so friends, if you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be looking forward for that. And contents like sessions regarding the content, the video that we have to present, you can mention in the description, comment section. Sorry, it's in the comment section. Okay, so guys, so that's all for today. If you have anything, make it up in the comment section. So until I come up with another video regarding the opportunity, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.